the ceiling found at a home inspection. But with a realtor by your side, a newfound leak might only cause minor worries. With their expertise, a realtor can suggest a credit at closing and even connect you to a contractor to help you shore up that leak and alleviate your worries. When it comes to cracks in your plans, the expertise of a realtor can make all the difference. The difference between an agent and a realtor is real. Realtors are members of the National Association of Realtors. That's who we are.
Progressive presents Don't Do It Yourself.
Okay, simple enough. Just gotta get in there with my screwdriver. Do you mind handing me my screwdriver?
Are you trying to say screwdriver?
Well, I mean, you're saying it weird, but yeah, sure.
Look, maybe we should bundle our home and auto with Progressive. We could save big and pay someone to install this for us so you don't pretend you can.
I know my way around a screwdriver. Oh yeah, this is gonna take up Philippe's head for sure.
Save when bundling home and auto with Progressive and use the money to, not do it yourself. Coverage from Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates and third-party insurers. Bundle discount not available in all states or situations.
Advertisement by Zimmerman Reed of 2381 Rosecrans Avenue, Suite 328, Manhattan Beach, California, 90245. Consent is not a condition of purchasing goods or services.
Attention all rideshare and food delivery drivers. If you're a current or former rideshare driver, listen closely, as you may be entitled to significant compensation. That's right, if you drove for a rideshare or food delivery service anytime in the past 3 years, you may be entitled to significant cash for unpaid wages and mileage. Text REPAY to 323232 right now. Qualify for compensation. That's REPAY to 323232. Rideshare and food delivery services may be in violation of federal and state employment. If you are a rideshare or food delivery driver, part-time or full-time, anytime during the last 3 years, you may be entitled to significant compensation. Text REPAY to 323232 now to see if you qualify for compensation. Hurry, time is limited, so text the word REPAY to 323232 now. Text REPAY to 323232.
Texting privacy policy and terms and conditions posted at textplan.us. Texting enrolls you for recurring automated text marketing messages. Message and data rates may apply. Reply stop to opt out.
Good morning, Bay Area. It's Fernando. Thanks to Big Bay Mornings for giving me a few seconds here to remind you that I'm on the radio every weekday after 10 a.m. I'll customize the playlist for you, and I'm the guy with the hookups too. This week, it's Swedish House Mafia tickets. Talk to you right after Big Bay Mornings. It's Fernando on 99.7 now.
Thinking of a home improvement project? A great place to start is a home equity loan or line of credit from Star One Credit Union. Star One's low rates are sure to beat the bank, so you can add space, design a gourmet kitchen, upgrade your bathrooms, or create a personal oasis. Get your project going with a home equity loan or line of credit from Star One. Check it out at Star.org. Come get the Star treatment at Star One. Go to star1.org today. Equal housing lender.
It's Celebrity Cruises' last chance summer sale. Get 75% off the second and fourth guests in your room, plus onboard credit with our Mexican Riviera sailings out of LA. Call your travel advisor or visit celebrity.com. Offer expires September 14, 2022. Additional restrictions apply. Visit celebrity.com for details. Ships registry Malta and Ecuador.
Back to Big Bay Mornings.
Real funny now.
Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it out the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. Mimi on the remix. On the count of three, back, get money. Broke to the left, we don't want it. I'm the one they love to hate, but they can't get past. Pretty face, no waist, and a big old bag. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. play, kettle, kitty, cold case. I'm about shit, but tonight we do it your way. On the count of three, back, get money. Fuck, to the left, 1-1. If you ever see me broke, I'm probably rocking the cash. Pretty face, no waist, with a big old bag.
They're hella funny.
Big Bay mornings.
They don't talk about boring, petty BS stuff.
Oh, God. You must look like Vinny.
What, guys?
They just joke around about everything.
Let's make 897 now.
Text the Truth Tuesday for Kane Brown tickets. The text you wish you could unsend. 925 OMG. This just happened to me over the weekend. So my boyfriend took a real risk and bought shoes for me as a gift. And you guys, they are so...
Aww.
I don't know why he thought it was a good idea. But anyway, I was texting my sister about how ugly they are, and I accidentally sent it to my boyfriend.
You always do that because you think you have that person's name in your head and you hit to send to them.
He was so hurt, he even cried over it. I feel so bad. I'm even wearing these ugly-ass shoes to try to make him feel better, but I wish I could unsend that one. What do you have over there?
Well, there's several people who have sent, let's just call them naughty videos.
Videos, not just photos.
Video. One young lady, she said she sent one to her mother.
Oh, Lord.
But
That is, I mean, and the mom can't unsee that.
well, here's the thing. The funny thing is she said my mom didn't recognize me in the video. She thought it was just a clip I found online and I was trying to send it to my boyfriend. So she still gives me a hard time about doing that, but she doesn't know it's actually us in the video.
I don't believe it. I think the mom's just trying to make the situation less awkward.
There's
You
another-
know that's your daughter.
Now this one is completely unbelievable, but somebody says that has a video like this, trying to send it to the boyfriend who is in the phone as Poppy, and send it to Pastor.
Pastor! Why is your pastor in your phone? Under pastor!
Yeah, well, needless to say, I never went back to that church, although the pastor was very understanding and
I bet he was.
said it's okay.
Are you sure you don't want to come back?
I mean, there's got to be forgiveness. There's got to be forgiveness for everything, right?
Oh my gosh!
Benny, I've done this one before, 714. I thought I was sending a screenshot of a conversation with my ex to my girlfriend, but I accidentally sent it back to my ex.
Oh, like a screenshot?
A screenshot of the conversation talking some smack. I have done that before.
925. I sent a risky pic to someone I was dating, telling him how much I missed him. He was out of town. Unfortunately, he passed away that same day. She sent the photo to a guy she was dating, naked photo. He was out of town, right? Don't forget about me. I'm here. Miss you. This guy died. The phone ended up being sent to his mom. I'm sure as part of the belongings, went to his mom. She saw the text, got very upset, sent me long text messages about how inappropriate I was and that her son wasn't that kind of man. Super embarrassing. No more naughty pics ever go out.
Man,
Wow. That is crazy.
That hurt.
And I'll say this to 925, at least he went out on a high. He got a great photo of you before he died.
Dang, Benny!
No, serious.
I hope he opened
Silver
it.
lining.
I hope he opened it before. That's the way to go, baby. God was
Wow.
he's crying.
Find the bright side in that one, Benny. Look at you.
Wow. I got that, Greg. I got that.
Yeah, I'm glad you did.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold it, the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it there? Nothing to say, and everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who will stay. Oh, in this world, it's just us. champion sound. Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me now. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Got a promoter, we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
On the trip I like to go someday.